Steve Lentini, Lord and Lentini, and Virgin Sales Training is my new program that delivers sales training all online. And I based the program on Richard Bronson's philosophy of making whatever you decide to do more accessible and affordable for all. And I realized sales training is a prime candidate for my new service. Sales training, I was a licensee, in fact, of a national sales training program that charged $5,000, $7,500, $10,000 for a year-long program. And that was per person. And I decided that it would be better to make it more affordable and accessible to all. And since today online tools are so great, I'm delivering the same content for $59 a month at the basic level, $79 a month if you want some of the other features that I've added, or $99 a month for the full program. And if you want to pay me upfront for a year, you get a 15% discount. You can join monthly, and by the way, it's fully refundable after 90 days. You can join for 90 days and say, Steve, I'm fine and I'd like a refund. I'd be happy to do that because in the 90 days, I know that I would have helped you. And if that becomes a gift to you, that's my gift to you. I also have a program for sales managers under Virgin Sales Training at $129 a month that includes coaching, and it includes a sales meeting if the sales manager would like me to do one. And I include in that training the philosophy that I'm teaching salespeople, which is helping people buy and managing the energy you project in front of people and your behaviors. Salespeople win because of their behavior and the energy they project in front of people. And today, it's helping people buy that's much more productive than selling. If you show up like a salesperson, you turn people off, especially if you have what I call commission breath, where you're pushing because you're focused on your goals and not your future clients' goals. So I help people develop questioning. I help people change the energy and understand how they need to show up in front of people. I include an everything disc assessment for salespeople, even an agile EQ if people want to take that option. It's additional, but I include agile EQ to help people learn how to show up differently for different types of people and why it's important. I help them develop questions. I help them with their behavior. I help them with a sales system that helps them repeat it over and over again, but not become a robot, because you have to be authentic today and mindful and have presence and really be interested and curious. Why is this customer looking for me? Do I have what's a good fit for them? Can I really help them solve their problems, their challenges, their pain? Can I become their trusted advisor? And with the proper questioning and the proper energy and the proper behaviors, which, by the way, all programs teach it just a little differently, why would you pay $10,000 or $5,000 when you can join my programs? And they're guaranteed. How many are doing that? Money back guarantee in 90 days. So I thank Richard Bronson. I want to call him Russell because I've seen his name used on Facebook, I think, to draw people in thinking it's Richard. Richard Bronson is a genius when it comes to finding markets that are underserved or poorly served, and sales training, as far as I'm concerned, is one of those. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, Steve, at virginsalestraining.com. At one point in sales, we were all virgins, and my question is, who'd you learn it from? Your first? Did you learn it from mom and dad? Or did you learn it from your sales manager who's pushing? Get out there. What'd you close lately? I'm going to teach you methods that work, that are tried and true, that I've been using. By the way, I have some clients that are still with me 20 years, 18 years, 12 years, 10 years. Why is that? Why is that? And amazing, their track record of success. And you can see what I've done for them. I have testimonials on the website at virginsalestraining.com. So if you have any questions, again, Steve at virginsalestraining.com or Steve at stevelentini.com if that's how you know me. I'm glad to help. It's what I love to do, helping salespeople and sales managers and companies win. And it's not a game. And no tactics or techniques. Learn how to be authentic and close more sales. I guarantee it. Money back. All right. Thank you.